To create our first Python chart, we must import a library called matplotlib. This library contains all of the chart objects that we'll be creating. I'm then going to create a data set. Let's add courses and values. I then need to set the size of the chart. So the first number is the width of the chart, and then we have the height of the chart. I'm then going to set the background color of the chart to cyan. Next, I'm going to create a bar graph. So we have plt.bar courses, values. The color of the bar graph is going to be purple and with a 0.4 width size. I'm then going to create the labels for the bar graph. Next, I'm going to create the title of the bar graph. So you got students enrolled in different courses. Last, I need to type in plt.show to show the bar graph. Once we have all of our code written, we can simply press the play button. And over here to the right, we can press the plots tab right here, and you can see what our bar graph looks like.